And here I have spatulas, silicone spatulas from Mistrali. So thanks a lot to Thrasio for sponsoring this video and sending these products out for free. These spatulas are awesome. We've got the large spatula, which is a 2.5 or 2.2 inches. You got the small spatula is a 1.5 inches. Then you've got like a spoon spatula. You can kind of see that's got a curve right there. That's 2.3, and then the jar spatula, which is very handy to use to get inside of peanut butter jars, which I like to do, is to make sure I finish off all the peanut butter out of the jar. This is the best thing to use for it. But they have these awesome handles that are super strong and durable. Really made very well. Okay, you got a large spatula for scraping bowls and pans, small for icing and spreading, and pastries and frostings. Spoon is for mixing and tasting, and then, like I said, this is the peanut butter one for reaching foods that are hard to reach. Heat resistance for 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Stain and odor resistance, non-sticking silicone. So very well made silicone, and it's got a good feel to it as well. So definitely when you're scraping, that's going to work really good. Also dishwasher safe, which is very easy for cleanup. And if you want to pull off these ends, I'm not sure if these ends pull off, but these are going to be great. I think these are going to last a long time. So anyway, I can highly recommend these. The orange is nice to have, but I can highly recommend these. You should definitely check them out.